Hi everyone, my name is Adriaan. I'm the owner of Eza Watches, and today I would like to explain you a bit more about the mechanical movement. Today we have the ETA 2824 movement. It's quite well known and widely used in the watch industry because of its reliability. Here we have the movement completely disassembled, the base plate, the part of the automatic winding, the rotor, parts from the dial side, parts from the movement side. The parts that I want to focus on today are the spring, the gear train and the escapement. So the power starts with the spring in this S-shaped spring which fits inside the barrel. This is what you wind, the spring, that's where the force comes from. This is forwarded through the gear train. In this movement, 3 gears, 3 wheels plus the escapement wheel, towards the pallet fork. The pallet fork is the brake of this part. So if you would wind your watch and there's no brake, just the gears would just wind off and the energy is lost. The pallet fork is the brake of this movement, and then the regulating heart, the heart of the movement, what's beating, what's ticking, it's the ticking noise you hear in a watch movement, is the escapement with the balance wheel. If you look on the back of a watch, that's the part that you see moving. So in this case the watch takes 28,800 beats per hour, and you try to make this exactly that number as a watchmaker, then the watch would run perfectly. However, there are many factors that make this not possible. You try to be as close as possible as a watchmaker. So the power goes through the gears, finishes at the pallet fork, and on top of the pallet fork is the balance wheel. The balance wheel rotates, and there's one teeth below the balance wheel which grabs into the fork. If it turns, it grabs the fork and it gets an impulse from the power coming from the spring through the gear train. This is what keeps the balance wheel turning and ticking. This is the part of the watch that you hear when you listen to a mechanical watch. So that's it for the first episode of the mechanical movement. I hope you enjoyed, and please don't forget to subscribe.